Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about types of menu. First, what is menu? It is a list of all food and drink that is offered at an establishment during its opening times arranged in a particular order. Next, types of menu. There are three types of menu: table d'hote menu, a la carte menu, other types of menu. First one is table d'hote menu. There are banquet menu, buffet menu, coffee houses menu, tea menu. Next one is a la carte menu. First one is breakfast menu, snacks menu, lunch menu, brunch menu, IT menu, room service menu, lounge menu, and another type of menu is statics menu, deux jours menus, wine menu, poolside menu. First one is table d'hote menu. This is a French word and means table of the host. It is a meal divided in a set of courses with a limited dishes. The selling price is fixed and all dishes are usually ready at set time. Menu is changed daily. Next one is banquet menu. It's a fixed course and fixed prices. Lower cost advance booking suitable for large numbers. Menu can be chosen from the fixed courses as per the customer or guest requirements. Next one is buffet menu. In these types of hot and cold dishes layout, self-serviced or self-served. It is suitable for casual and social gathering. It's also served in buffet style. Next one, tea menu. The English have made the late afternoon meal into a fine art. Apart from the traditional tea, other items included sandwiches, bread and pastries. Next one is cyclic menu. These are designed to offer frequent guests a variety. The cycle of menu can be changed on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. These menu may be found in hospitals, canteens, schools, universities, etc. because they not have anywhere else to go for food. Next one is a la carte menu. This is French word and means according to the card or customer's order. A menu in which each food items is separately priced to give the menu guest choice to suit his or her taste and budgets. Snacks menu. Snacks menu are offered in between the regular meal timing. This menu is popular with the studied shoppers and casual eaters. Next, lunch menus. Lunch menu can be vary from the elaborated meals or light meals. It depends on the purpose and culture of the guest. Next, dinner menu. These menus are elaborated as guests have more time and leisure for eating. Alcoholic drinks are an essential part of this menu. Next, brunch menu. It is designed for the family or guest who wish to work late. It has a combination of breakfast and lunch items to suit the mood of taste of the individuals. For example, fresh fruits, smoked English ham. Next one, specialty menu. Specialty menu cater to market segments that have particular needs. Ethnic menu. These are offered by specialty restaurants that concentrated on the types of cuisines. French cuisines, Chinese cuisine, Japanese cuisine, Indian restaurants will offer this menu. Children's menu. This menu is only for the children's. Diet menu. It has become significant with the health conscious modern public. Supper menu. The term supper is used in the European continent. It can be filtered between two major meals, lunch and dinner. Statics menu. A statics menu is a menu that is often laminated for the easy cleanup. It is usually separated in the groups such as appetizer, soups and salad, entries, dessert, etc. Fast food restaurants often have these types of menus. Do jour menu. These kinds of menu features and items of the day and change every day. They are usually focused on seasonal items. Another names of these menu are chalkboard menu because they are often written on the chalkboards. Next is poolside menu. These menus are specially designed for the facilitate easy service beside the pools area. The items would be pre-plated snacks foods. Desserts menu. This menu is offered by restaurants that have guest patissier. They cater to the public with a sweet tooth mouth. Much outlets with this specialty would have a captive